Hello guys, welcome to Rich Boy Tech. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to remove Deceptive Site Ahead. This might happen if your site is reported or Google crawl your site and find some phishing link or unusual things. So to avoid it or to remove the red background, all you need to do is go to Google and search for Google Search Console. Search for Google Search Console. Once you click it, you see the first page. Click it, then click on Start Now. So once you click on Start Now, we direct you to where you can log in with your Gmail. Once you log in with your Gmail, click on Add Property, then go to URL prefix, then copy the site. That's the site that you want to remove the red background from. Copy it and click on Continue. So the next step is to verify if you are the owner of this site. So to do that, they will give you a code to download, the HTML code to download. So let's wait for it now. As you can see, download this file. All you have to do is download the file, then go to your cPanel or direct admin and upload it on your domain. Go to your direct admin or cPanel, go to the domain, then upload the file Google gives to you. So we have successfully uploaded it. So the next step is to go back to Google Search Console and click on Verify. Okay, let's wait. Okay, ownership verified. You can see it has been verified. This is the first step. So the next step is to remove the red background. You can see we have security issues. So click on Full Reports. You can see one issue detected. Click on Request Review and click on All Issue were fixed. Then Impute Content Remove. Then you see Request submitted successfully. So this might take 24 hours to 48 hours. So after 24 hours, you have to come back to this page and check. Voila, so no issues detected. As you can see, it has been resolved. So let's go back to the site and check if you can still see the red background. Okay, let's refresh. As you can see, the red background have disappeared. So this is the easiest way to remove your red background or site descriptive ahead. You can see no issues. So thank you guys for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Bye.